Hello everyone and welcome back to Science with Ms. Trevino. Today we are going to work on Lesson 6, How Plants Reproduce. Let's go ahead and let's get started. Our learning target for today is, we can explain how plants reproduce or make more plants. How do plants make more plants? Think. All right, let's go ahead and let's find out. All living things reproduce. To reproduce means that they make more of their own kind. Humans and animals have babies. Birds lay eggs. Plants reproduce seeds that will grow into new plants. Seeds can grow into new plants. Did you know that insects, animals, and the wind help plants make seeds? That's because to make a seed, a plant needs to be pollinated. Pollen. This is the pollen right here. This is what bees take from flowers. They take pollen. Pollen is the tiny particles that are on the flower of a plant. Particles of pollen stick to an insect when it lands on a plant's flower. When the insect travels to another flower, some of the pollen rubs off its body and onto the flower. The pollen the insect brought with it mixes with the pollen from the new plant. Then the plant can begin to make seeds of fruit. This process is called pollination. It's not just bees that pollinate plants. Other insects like birds, bats, water, and wind can carry pollen between plants. Plants that are not very colorful rely on wind and rain to pollinate. Pollination is very important. If plants ever stopped pollinating, they wouldn't be able to reproduce. They wouldn't be able to produce seeds. If there were no seeds, then we would have no plants, including fruits and vegetables. Now, how do plants make more plants? So, think about it. How do plants make more plants? Think. Get ready. If you said by using pollination, you are correct. Pollination, when bees, insects, bats, any kind of insect goes to a very colorful flower and the pollen sticks to them. So when they go to another plant, they take the pollen with them. The wind also carries the seeds. The seeds get blown away by the wind and they go and they land somewhere else. So then when they land somewhere else, that is how the flower is recreated. It's reproduced. So I hope you all learned a little bit about pollination and how plants make more plants. I'll see you next time, boys and girls. Bye.